guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and on today's episode, we are going to be making the perfect kid-approved, toddler-friendly tater tot, I don't know, dinner, lunch situation. I make this for my son. He loves it. I use his three favorite things, which are tater tots, bacon, and cheese. I kind of combined it, and it's like a little cup of goodness for him. You can totally make this just on a sheet pan, but I love to do it in a little cup for him, and he loves it. So I'm excited to share it with you. Let's get started.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel